In this demonstration, we will look at how you can reset your Windows 10 machine. There are reasons why you need to do this. Sometimes because your computer is running too slow or sluggish, or there was an issue with your driver updates or some kind of a software update. To reset your machine, go to Start menu, go to Settings, click on Update and Security, and select the option called Recovery from the left-hand menu. And at the very first item on the recovery page is the Reset This PC. As Microsoft has mentioned here clearly, it lets you choose whether to keep your personal files or remove them, and it will reinstall Windows. This is a good option, especially when your computer is running slow, but you have no idea why it is doing that. To get it going, on the Reset This PC, click on the button called Get Started, and you'll be presented with two options: Keep My Files or Remove Everything. If you're going to go with the option called Remove Everything, make sure you back up your files and documents. If you're going to keep your files, then you can just simply select this option and go ahead. I'm going to choose the option called Keep My Files. And in here, you will get the option to have a cloud download Windows, or you have it local reinstall. For most users, it will be the local reinstall. But if you have a cloud services with Microsoft, you can choose that option as well. So I will go with local reinstall. And I'm not going to change any of the settings. I'm going to leave it as default, and I'm going to press next. And it will take a few minutes. Once the reset process have been started. So that's why they give you a warning here saying this will take a while and your PC will restart. So during that time, you won't have access to any of your files or any documents or Windows operating system. So keep that in mind when you do this, and then click Reset. So after a while, you'll be greeted with your familiar login screen. And let's log in. And you will have your accounts attached. So it is just reset the Windows operating system while keeping all your user data and your user accounts. Even if you decided to go with the option where it deletes all your user files, it will still keep your user data, such as your Windows key, as well as the registration key, as well as the other information such as your user account information. The only thing you should be aware of is you may have to reinstall some of the drivers, such as in my case, the VMware drivers for the VMware tools, which is kind of a driver tools for the screen. But other than that, everything should be there. So once you have installed those drivers, you should be good to go. And if usually the Windows will keep the drivers and reinstall it, but sometimes some drivers may go missing. If that happens, you just need to make sure that you reinstall those drivers, such as like NVIDIA graphic card drivers. In my case, it is just the VMware tools. And after that, you're good to go. You have a fresh new computer. Until next time, have a nice day.